Welcome to the Sembot channel. Today, we will show you how to monitor your store's organic results with Sembot. Let's start by adding a new project. In the Sembot account panel, go to the All Projects tab. Add a new project by clicking Add Project. Fill out a short form. Enter the details about your store. Enter the domain. Select the project type. In the next step, select the project language. Click Create Project. Go to the Feed tab. From this tab, you can upload your input feed. Click Add New Feed and fill out the form. Enter the name of the input feed. Add a link to the feed for which you will run organic results monitoring. Select the parsing time. In the next section, you will find the input file mapping. Verify that everything has been mapped correctly. Then click the Save button. Go to the Google Monitor tab. Monitor consists of 3 modules: Organic Results Monitor, Product Ads Monitor, and Text Ads Monitor. Let's start with the Organic Results Monitor. To start the Organic Results Monitor, go to the Not Monitored Products section. In this section, you will find a collection of all your products that are added in the input file. You can select the products to monitor using the filter option or manually. After selecting the products, the title phrases will be monitored. That is, the titles of these products will be monitored in the Organic Results Monitor. Click Monitor. Selected. Select the language. Then select a location. You can choose one location or several. Click Submit. The system has added phrases to the monitor. Return to the Monitored tab. Each phrase is added separately by location, so there will be supported results for each specific phrase in that location. In the Status column, you will see the visibility status, for example. Before downloading date, meaning the monitoring request will be processed in the next 24 hours. Up to date, meaning the results were downloaded within the last 24 hours. No displays, meaning no store or project in the results. No current date, meaning no your store or project in the results of the last 24 hours. The volume and position columns will show the monitoring results. This should take a few hours. The volume column will show the average number of searches for the keyword in the last month. No value means that there were not enough searches or the keyword is too long. The position column will show the position in the search results, data from the last update in which the product was in the search results. In addition to being able to add title phrases for your products, you can also add generic phrases. Click the Add Phrase to Monitor button. Here you have the option to manually enter phrases. For example, face oils. Then select the language and location in which you want the phrase for your store to monitor. You also have the option to upload more phrases using a file. Click the Get Template button. You can complete the sheet manually, or with the help of, for example, GPT Chat, generate the necessary phrases. Choose the language, the location where you want to monitor products. When the file is ready, download it. Then add it by clicking the Upload Phrase from CSV File button. After uploading the file, click Submit, and all phrases from this file will go to the monitor. In the Organic Results Monitor, you will see the variation of your product's position and the average number of searches. You will see in which position your store displays for a given phrase. You will see how many positions a given phrase displays on. By clicking on the cogwheel icon, you will see a summary of your competitors. By clicking on the link button on the right, you can display your competitor's product. Above you will find a chart. On the top right, you will find the time range from which the results are displayed. Select which stores you want to add to the graph. You can see how the variation of the position of a particular store for a particular phrase looked like. Above you will find charts. You can see how many of your products display in the top 3 organic results, top 10, and top 50. Expanding the chart result type column will set up the chart, and you can select the products you want to appear on a particular chart. Under Chart Result Type, select any values to see how all the data displays on the chart. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to Sembot's channel if you want to stay up to date on our marketing solutions and news from the world of technology, performance marketing, and AI. See you in the next episode.